Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'll show you what a fast signal light or blinker means. As you can see, this is blinking faster than normal. Here is what it should be. So if you experience this on your F150, it's likely a blown signal light, and since it's coming from the driver's side, that's where we'll start looking first. So I just put my hazard lights on, and as you can see, nothing is flashing on my driver's side taillight. Here's my passenger side, which is working as per normal. Now let's remove this lens and replace that light bulb, which won't take very long. With the tailgate down, you'll notice two bolts which hold the lens to the body. You'll need an 8mm socket to remove both of these bolts. Now at this point, my hazard lights are turned off and my key is out of the ignition. Therefore, I have no power to the lights. Now take your time and pull the lens out. There might be a lot of debris holding the lens in place, so use a gentle amount of force. Pull the lens towards the tailgate and not towards the driver's side, which could break the plastic clips. With the lens removed, it's easy to access the light bulb. Here are the bulbs needed for the upper part of the tailgate. I'll also place this part number in the description below. Simply turn the light bulb socket a quarter turn and that should unlock it from the lens. With a firm grip, just pull the burnt light straight out of the socket. I'm just looking at the bulb that I removed and I could clearly see the burnt filament. Now, let's install the new bulb. Simply push it into the light socket. This light socket is showing some burn, wear, and tear on it, so that might be a future replacement, but for now, it's just a light bulb. And with my hazard lights on, you can see the new bulb works perfectly fine. Now, let's check on that fast signal light. As you can see, the bulb replacement fixed the issue as it blinks the same speed as the passenger side. To insert the light socket into the lens, just place it into the lens and give it a quarter turn to lock it into place. And firmly push the lens back into its housing to lock it into place. Lastly, connect the lens with the two 8mm bolts that you removed earlier. Just snug the bolts because they don't need to be overly tight. And one final check to make sure they work. Given the bulb came in a 2-pack, I'll simply place the other in a convenient spot for when this one blows. So there you have it, a simple fix for when you notice a fast blinking signal light on your dashboard. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.